Hello friends. In this video we will discuss about linear equations with one variable. Exercise 2.2, question number 7 to question number 12. Why hate maths? Simple math, to get and to give, creates many problems. So just double it. Forget and forgive. Solve many problem. जिंदगी का फंडा और मैथ्स का फंडा बिल्कुल सेम है, सिर्फ तुम्हारे समझने की देर है। मैं तुमको हिंट दूंगी और तुम मुझे सॉल्यूशन दोगे। बिकॉज आई होप you all know how to solve various type of linear equations. If doubt, watch the video where I explain them. Now, coming to the questions. Question number 7. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. What are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. Multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Got the hint? Multiple of 2 means difference of 2. Multiple of 3 means difference of 3. So, multiple of 8 means difference of 8. What will you take as x? First consecutive number. Then what will be the second consecutive multiple? It will be x plus 8. Next, x plus 8 plus x 8, that is equal to x plus 16. Now, according to the question, you have to find the sum. Add the 3, x first plus x plus 8 second, third x plus 16, which is equal to 888. Solve this. You will get 3x plus 24 is equal to 888. I hope you will not make this mistake of adding all the things together. 8 and 16 are constant and these 3x are variables. Pause the video, solve it, find the value of x. Now play it again. I am sure you must have got the 3 multiples are 288, 296 and 304. Question number 8. 3 consecutive, again consecutive, integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. Take part by part. Consecutive integers matlab 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 24, 25, 23 and 6. Any 3 consecutive integers. Clear. Then increasing order. अभी बोला वो increasing order था. Then you will multiply the first by 2, second by 3 and third by 4 because it is respectively. So, try to frame the equation. You will take first integer as x. So, the next integer will be x plus 1 and the third will be x plus 1 plus 1. That means x plus 2. Now, multiply the first one with 2, second one with 3, third one with 4 and you will get the equation which is equal to 74. How will you solve it? Which property you will use? Of course, distributive property. You know it from class 6 only. So, I am sure you will solve it. You will get this. 9x plus 11 is equal to 74. I am very sure that you know the rules of transposition. Plus 11 or 9, which one will go first? Don't make the mistake of shifting 9. 9 को बाद में ले जाना, पहले 11. Find the value of x. What did you get? 7. Good. Then the next will be 8 and 9. Can you verify it? 7 multiplied by 2, then 8 multiplied by 3, then 9 multiplied by 4, and add the sum. You will get 74. Very easy. Coming to question number 9. The ages of Rahul and Haroon are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? When you get these type of questions related to age, it looks very difficult, but it becomes easy if you read it part by part and write the equation. From this, you can see that there are two children, Rahul and Haroon. Can you guess who is Rahul? Who is Haroon? ये राहुल है, ये राहुल है, ये हरून है, ये हरून है. Yes, your guess is correct because Haroon is 7 ratio and Rahul has 5 ratio. So that means Rahul is younger and Haroon is elder. So he is Rahul and he is Haroon. You will take their ages as 5x and 7x. 4 years later, if you are 12, what will be your age 4 years later? And if you are 13, then of course 12 plus 4, 13 plus 4. Now you can make the equation. Let the present age of Rahul be 5 and the Haroon be 7x. According to the condition, 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4, find their sum and the result is 56. You will find the value of x. Is the value of x gives the age of any child? No. It is only the multiplication or the multiple. And you will multiply it with by 5. You will get the age of Rahul. And multiply by 7. You will get the age of Haroon. So your answers are 20 years and 28 years. It's easy. Now question number 10. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the class strength? Boys are more, girls are less. Now what will be the scenario of the class? Shaitan, mischievous, naughty class hai. Okay, how many more number of girls? No, not girls, it's boys. So what are the numbers? You don't know the exact number. It is 5x and 7x. Just try to make the equation. Just pause it and make it. Which one did you get? This one? This one? Or this one? Which one is correct? Yes, all the three are correct because it is the relation of the 7x and 5x. Either you find the difference and the difference is 8, or this is telling that 7x is 8 more than 5x, or this is telling that if you subtract 8 from 7x you will get 5x. So all of them are correct. Now by solving you will find the value of x. Again, it is not the number which you want. It is only the multiple. Multiply it with 7 and 5 and you will get the exact answer that there are 28 boys and 20 girls in the class. But it is not asking it the different numbers. It is asking what is the total class strength. So your exact answer is when you will add 28 and 20 and you will get 48. Good. Very good. Question number 11. This is a very famous question. Bachung's father is 26 years younger than Bachung's grandfather and 29 years older than Bachung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? Got totally confused. क्या Bachung, क्या father, क्या दादाजी, सबका age confusing है. It's very easy and you can solve it by any method. So many methods are there. He is Bachung, he is his father, and he is his grandfather. You can imagine yourself in Bachung's place and the difference, whatever is the age Bachung is. Father is 29 years elder and the grandfather is 26 years elder than father. Okay, so make the equation. Suppose you are taking Bachung's age as x. Then father's age will be x plus 29. Grandfather's age will be x because x is Bachung's age. Then first you reach to the age of father, that is x plus 29. Then you add 26 more to it, you will reach the age of grandfather. So it is x plus 55. So according to the condition, you add all the three ages and the answer is 135. By reducing, you will get 3x plus 84 is equal to 135. What did you say? You got a different. You started with Bachung's father. Oh, someone is saying that he started with Bachung's grandfather. Don't worry. Either you are getting this equation or this equation. Bachung's की, father की और grandfather की age नहीं बदलेगी, वो same रहेगी. तुम कैसे भी start करो. So you will get the answer that Bachung's age is 17, father is of 46 and grandfather is 72 years old. In each time, you will get the value of x different. X की value different होगी, लेकिन तीनों लोगों की age change नहीं होगी. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर पहले वाले में x Bachung है, तो x की वैल्यू Bachung का एज आएगा. सेकेंड में Bachung के ग्रैंडफादर इफ यू हैव टेकन एज x, तो वॉट एवर इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x वो तुम्हारे ग्रैंडफादर की एज होगी. तीसरे में अगर x की वैल्यू फादर की एज बता रही है, तो वॉट एवर द वैल्यू इज x, इट इज ऑफ फादर्स एज. Isn't it easy? Coming to the last question. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is the Ravi's present age? Don't worry. It's age related, but it's not difficult. Just try to make the table. Present age, future age. Present age of Ravi is X. So, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times. It will be from now means after 15 years. तो Ravi की age हो जाएगी x plus 15. But it is saying that it will be 4 times of his present age. Then it is 4x also. So it is the same time. And either you can represent by x plus 15 or 4x. That means both of them are equal. देखा टेबल बना लेने से कितना easy हो गया. Now you make the equation. 4x is equal to x plus 15. It's so simple. You can find the value of x and that will be the age of Ravi. एक प्रॉब्लम आई, x की वैल्यू यहाँ बता रही है रवि की एज और बाकी में नहीं बता रहा था आंसर, बिकॉज हियर वी हैव टेकन x as the present age which is being asked. So be careful while answering. To know the tips and tricks to solve money related problems of the same exercise, click on the video appearing on the screen. See you soon. Love you, math.